name's Karen Riggs. I'm a retired school teacher. I had a stroke about a year ago, which really concerned me about my health. I was also on the pre-diabetic end, and my weight had skyrocketed. So I knew I had to make a change. And thankfully, Dr. Rangi, who I was seeing for a thyroid issue, recommended this program to me. And it has definitely been life-changing.
Karen, how has the program changed your life?
Oh my gosh, I am just so happy I've gone to Dr. Rangi and did this lifestyle plan. I no longer have joint pain. I feel good about myself. I would just totally recommend this program for anybody who's struggling with health issues as well as weight issues.
Hi, my name is Donna. I am 61 years old. I was referred to Dr. Rangi 3 years ago for my primary care. I've been a diabetic for roughly 20 years, insulin dependent for approximately 6 years. When I came to Dr. Rangi, my A1C was 7.8. It is currently 6.1. Working with Dr. Rangi, not only have I lost 30 pounds, I feel much better.
Hi, my name is Bill Cassis, and I'm a patient of Dr. Rangi. I've been a patient for about 2 years, and during this period of time, my diabetes is more under control. I've lost over 20 pounds since I've been working with her, and my A1C has continually improved, and we're getting to the point where I have been able to cut out a couple of medications that I was taking, and we're working towards the goal of maybe somewhere down the road I might be able to discontinue taking blood pressure medication because it's improved a lot. And I'm very happy with the service that I've had at this office, and I enjoy coming out and talking with the doctor, and she's very good about answering my questions. And I would highly recommend this office to anyone who's considering making a change with their diabetes care. My primary care, Dr. Alacosi, originally referred me to Dr. Rangi because the doctor I was working with left her practice and went to work for UC Davis. So I needed someone else to work with. So I have to pack up my Camel and travel way out to Folsom from Sacramento. And I don't mind doing that at all.
My name is Jeff Silva. I am a type 1 diabetic. I'm 56 years old. I've been a type 1 diabetic for 45 years. I started out on injectable insulin 45 years ago. The way diabetes was controlled back then was pretty fast and loose. They didn't expect us to live very long. I was given to 21 years old, was about as far as I'd make it. I have seen a lot of changes in the way diabetes is managed, more than I can count. Since Dr. Rangi became my doctor, and I was lucky as a diabetic. I was very fortunate. I've been in the hospital one time because of a diabetes issue, and that's when I was diagnosed. So I have been lucky. Since I've been coming to Dr. Rangi, my diabetes is completely transformed into control. Is amazing. She helped me get on a program. She helped me control it, which getting me to do anything is very hard. You can ask my girlfriend Lonnie.
This is
she
true.
can attest to that. So she has helped me gain incredible control over my type 1 diabetes. She put me on Afrezza, which was life and is life-changing for me. And I was on injectables of all kinds. Afrezza was life-changing for me. It has completely changed my life. I feel as normal as anybody out there on the street, which is amazing. I wish it would have been around 45 years ago because life would be completely different for me now. I would still have my vision. I'm 100% sure of that. but Afrezza is an amazing product, period. There's nothing out there that even compares to it. Once you learn how to use it, once you learn what it does, once you learn what it does for you, moods are better, highs and lows.
It keeps you stable.
Highs and lows are different. I'm in Target 85% of the time, and I don't follow a strict diet. I'm probably not really great about that. I do eat healthy, but you know, I was probably, you know, anywhere from a 10 to 12 most of my life for an A1C number. You know, today I was a 7.2, you know, with room for improvement. Everything I talk about, the Afrezza, everything, is because I came to this office, which was completely by accident, actually, but that was life-changing for me, and all the steps that followed after I got here were life-changing for me.
My name is Randy, and I'm a patient of Dr. Rengi's. I was referred to her by my primary care physician about 6 years ago because my type 2 diabetes was out of control. I was bouncing all over the place in the low 9s, and my doctor told me I need to go see an endocrinologist. So I saw Dr. Rengi, and she's been very helpful. She's put me on a nice plan of medicines to help with my diabetes and told me about how to maintain my health. And so I've dropped about 20 pounds since then in about 6 years. And my A1C has gone from the low 9s to under 7. And my health has improved a lot since I've been with her. I feel great. And so it's really easy to work with Dr. Rengi. She's a great communicator, and she really cares about your health and looks into all the details of your test results. So if you are looking for an endocrinologist, I highly recommend Dr. Rengi.
Hello, my name is Joanne Robertson. I've had diabetes for 15 years. And once I I contracted COVID in 2021. I was hospitalized. I had an A1C of 13, and when I left, I was on insulin, and I had a difficulty bringing it down. I needed to be referred to a specialist, an endocrinologist, Dr. Rengi, and with her team and all of the latest innovations, you know, medication-wise, I was off of insulin in 6 months, and my A1C is normal, it's 6.4, and I'm really happy about this. I'm excited, and you know, it can happen. Yes. Also, let me not forget, I made it complicated taking the insulin. I had to have help. I was born without arms, so that was just an additional plus. That now I'm off of the medication for the most part. I take one medication called Trulicity once a week, and it's all been great, and I'm so happy about the outcome. Thank you.
Hi, my name's Linda. I am 73 years old, and I was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes when I was 46. I started seeing Dr. Rengi in 2010, and it's been a long road for both of us. I have played around with my medications and sabotaged myself so many times because of my poor eating habits. I'm an emotional eater. I really am addicted to a lot of bad carbohydrates and fats and some sugar. And Dr. Rengi has tried multiple types of combinations of medications to help me, which would have probably worked a lot better if I had just simply eaten right. One thing, though, I can say I'm very proud about now is that my range is 73% in range for my blood sugars, And Dr. Rangi and I have a common goal of getting me off insulin. I've done it one other time where I did get off one insulin when I lost quite a bit of weight. That's my goal again. And it's not so much about looking good, it's about being healthy. And I want to live as long as I possibly can. I want to be happy and enjoy my retirement because I am so happy being retired, believe me. And Dr. Rangi is right there for me, and she has stuck through thick and thin with me being thick. And all I can say is I'm very grateful for her, what should I say, just her determination to make me the healthiest person I can be. Thanks.